Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto G31, and I'll show you how to enable or disable NFC on this device. So first you should go to the settings application and then tap to the connected devices section. Tap here to the connection preferences and now go to the NFC section. In our case the NFC is activated. If you want to just turn it off, tap here once on the switcher and that's it. And if you want to activate it again, just tap here again on the switcher, and that's how it looks. Also we got here the second way how you can do that. We got the open the notification bar, and here you'll see the NFC icon. Just tap here once on the icon, and as can you see our NFC is activated just right now. And just to turn it off, here tap again on the NFC icon, and that's it. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.